Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize student retention with EdSurge, complete guide step by step clearly. Optimizing student retention begins with understanding the unique needs of your learners. Start by gathering data on student demographics and academic performance. Use EdSurge's analytics tools to identify at-risk students early. Implement surveys to gather feedback on student experiences. Analyze feedback to pinpoint areas for improvement. Create targeted support programs based on the identified needs of students. Develop a mentorship program that pairs students with faculty or peers. Utilize EdSurge's resources to enhance your outreach and engagement strategies. Host workshops and webinars that foster community and connection. Regularly communicate with students through newsletters and personalized messages. Track student participation in events and support services to understand engagement levels. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of your retention strategies. Make adjustments based on data and feedback to ensure your methods remain effective. Encourage a campus culture that promotes student well-being and support. Utilize EdSurge's networking opportunities to share best practices with other institutions. Collaborate with departments to create interdisciplinary programs that enhance learning. Establish clear pathways for academic and career progression for students. Monitor and celebrate small victories in student retention. Create an inclusive environment that values diversity and encourages belonging. Leverage technology to create engaging and accessible learning experiences. Foster open lines of communication where students feel comfortable seeking help. Regularly review and update your student retention strategies to keep them relevant. Engage with alumni to understand how their experiences can inform current practices. Creating a culture of continuous improvement is key to successful student retention. With these steps, you can effectively leverage EdSurge to optimize student retention in your institution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.